my channel. I'm Tommy Huxley from Tommy Huxley's Blues Avenue, and we're gonna do a lesson on a chord melody for Giant Steps by John Coltrane. As you can see, I am set up for Christmas in here, so Merry Christmas and Happy Hanukkah. And we're gonna get into this lesson, and that happens right now. We're back, and let's get into this lesson. We're gonna start on the first chord. And whenever you have a melody, you wanna build a chord off the top melody here, which is F sharp. So this is a B flat chord, a B flat sixth. So we're going to do it like this. Okay. And then the next chord is going to be a D7. We're going to play this D9 like this. Okay. So that's. Now we got a G major 7 here. That's a 13 inversion. And then we're going to do a B flat 13 dominant. Okay, and that's going to be the melody note here, which is an F. Okay, and then it's another 6th chord, E flat 6. Okay, that's the first part of the melody. So what is that again? Now we're going to go to an A minor 9th. So okay. So that's an A minor 9 to a D9. Now this is back to our G major 7th again, where we're going to play a G 6th. Okay? Now, same chord we did here, D7, we're going to do a B flat 9. Okay? Then now we got an E flat 13 based off our E flat major 7th chord. Okay. Now we got a G flat 13. Then back to our B 6th again. So what is that? Minor 7 to a B flat 7. Okay. Now this is an E flat 6th. Okay. So now we got this back to the A minor to the D7 again. And that's our G 6th again. Now we have a new set of chords, which is the D flat minor 9 to a G flat 7 or 9. Now we're back to the chord we started from. Okay? Which is a B 6th. And now back to our F again. F minor 7 to B flat 7. Then back to the E flat 6th. Then this is a kind of a minor inversion. You could just do this if you wanted. But I kind of like this. So that's a C minor inversion. Then to an F triad, okay? F sharp triad or G flat triad. Okay? And that's everything. Okay? But I recommend learning the melody, which is, as you can hear. Okay? Thank you so much for joining and watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. And be sure and hit that bell icon to be notified whenever I post videos. Thank you so much, and don't forget to follow me on social media, Spotify, everything else, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And I hope everyone has a happy holiday, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and I will see you later.